79 current temperature. A few nice stars showing up this evening there out of that camera looking out and in the Caledonia area. What about
The National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for the following counties or areas: portions of southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, and central, north central, northwest, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Mississippi. What? Heat index values in excess of 105 expected. Where? Portions of southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, and central, north central, northwest, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Mississippi. When? From noon Sunday to 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Trying to limit strenuous activities to early, morning, or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and leave stroke. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome a heat stroke should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Repeating, a heat advisory has been issued from noon Central Daylight Time Sunday until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Madison, Tensaw, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Capaya, Hines, Sequita, Jefferson, Lawrence, Lincoln, Simpson, Warren, and Yazoo.
Rides and record-breaking slides with private cabanas and suites, dining and drink options, and always a perfect 85 degrees. It's the destination everyone will love. For your family's perfect day trip, get away to DreamWorks Water Park. Book your reservation today at AmericanDream.com.
Tensions are rising again in the Middle East after the war with Iran.
Jefferson, spend 30, get 10. Do your thing, dope boy. Totino's Pizza Rolls. Tastes like a touchdown. Paso, the old El Paso.
Spend $30 on General Mills products. Get a $10 reward.
I love your nervous smile. I love that you always sing the wrong words.